Welcome to Thailand, one of the most mesmerizing countries in Southeast Asia. Known for its rich culture, exotic food, and jaw-dropping landscapes, it's no wonder Thailand is a dream destination for millions of travelers. If you're planning a trip to this incredible country, stick around. In today's video, we're counting down the 7 best places to visit in Thailand that you absolutely cannot miss. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is Chiang Mai, Thailand's cultural capital located in the mountainous north. Chiang Mai is perfect for travelers who want to experience Thailand's deep history and laid-back atmosphere. You'll find over 300 temples, with the famous Wat Phra that Doi Suthep offering breathtaking views over the city. Whether you're interested in exploring the old city's narrow streets, indulging in delicious street food at the night markets, or getting up close with elephants at one of the ethical elephant sanctuaries, Chiang Mai has something for everyone. Chiang Mai is also known for the Yipeng Lantern Festival, where thousands of lanterns light up the night sky, an experience you'll never forget. Next up is Thailand's buzzing capital, Bangkok. This sprawling metropolis is an exciting blend of ancient traditions and modern life. You can't visit Bangkok without checking out the iconic Grand Palace, home to the revered Emerald Buddha. And for all the foodies out there, Bangkok's street food scene is legendary. From spicy pad thai to mango sticky rice, there's no shortage of flavors to explore. Be sure to visit the floating markets where you can shop for fresh produce and souvenirs while gliding through the water. At night, Bangkok transforms with its vibrant nightlife. Whether it's rooftop bars or night markets like Asiatique, there's always something happening in this city that never sleeps. Now, let's head to the south of Thailand to the world-famous island of Phuket. Known for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lively resort towns, Phuket is the ultimate destination for beach lovers. Whether you're looking to relax on Patong Beach, take a boat trip to the stunning Phi Phi Islands, or explore the island's nightlife, Phuket has something for every type of traveler. Don't miss out on visiting the Big Buddha perched high on the hills, offering panoramic views of the island. For those seeking adventure, try snorkeling, diving, or island hopping. Phuket truly caters to all. Coming in at number 4 is Koh Samui, a tropical paradise perfect for travelers looking to unwind. With its beautiful beaches, luxury resorts, and world-class spas, Koh Samui is the ideal place to relax and rejuvenate. But there's more to Koh Samui than just relaxation. Visit the stunning Namwang waterfalls or take a day trip to the nearby Ang Thong National Marine Park, where you can kayak, snorkel, and explore untouched islands. Next on the list is Phang Nga, a province renowned for its dramatic limestone karsts and emerald green waters. The highlight here is undoubtedly Phang Nga Bay, where towering cliffs rise from the sea in spectacular fashion. A must-do activity is kayaking through the sea caves and hidden lagoons, an experience that feels like stepping into another world. Don't forget to visit James Bond Island, made famous by the 1974 movie The Man with the Golden Gun. Phang Nga is perfect for nature lovers and those seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure. Let's take a detour to Railay Beach, one of Thailand's most beautiful and secluded spots. Railay Beach is only accessible by boat, making it feel like a hidden paradise. Surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, this beach is a top destination for rock climbing enthusiasts. Even if climbing isn't your thing, Raylay's stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters make it the perfect spot to swim, snorkel, or simply relax with a view. Railay is the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation, definitely a place you'll want to add to your list. Finally, we arrive at Trang, a hidden gem that offers a more tranquil experience compared to Thailand's bustling tourist spots. Trang's untouched beauty is perfect for travelers looking to escape the crowds. With gorgeous empty beaches, waterfalls, and lush forests, Trang is a dream for nature lovers. You can even visit the emerald caves on nearby islands or explore the beautiful coral reefs while snorkeling. If you're looking for a slice of authentic, peaceful Thailand, Trang is the perfect destination. And there you have it, the 7 best places to visit in Thailand. From cultural treasures in Chiang Mai to the serene beauty of Trang, Thailand is a country that offers something special for every traveler. So, whether you're planning your first trip or returning for more, Thailand's diverse landscapes and rich culture are waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more travel guides. Let us know in the comments which of these destinations you're most excited to visit. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.